Today, I'll delve into a groundbreaking study shedding light on a concerning issue. An AI recruiting tool employed by major corporations exhibits a clear bias against women. In a recent publication in the esteemed journal Nature Machine Intelligence, researchers dissected data from over 100,000 job interviews facilitated by HireVue. The study's findings paint a disconcerting picture. The AI tool tended to favor male candidates, assigning them higher hireable ratings and overall scores. Moreover, it exhibited a penchant for endorsing male applicants for roles traditionally associated with male-dominated fields, like engineering and technology. This disconcerting revelation underscores a profound dilemma. Instead of leveling the playing field, AI recruiting tools unintentionally exacerbate existing gender biases in workplaces. Given the already glaring underrepresentation of women across numerous industries, this prejudicial AI bias only intensifies the challenge they face in securing employment opportunities. The study's authors stress the imperative for deeper exploration into potential biases embedded in AI recruiting tools. They also advocate for the judicious use of such tools by companies, coupled with heightened awareness of the lurking bias. In response, HireVue expressed its commitment to fostering fairness and equity within its hiring processes. The company assured its dedication to rectifying the concerns raised by the study, striving to render its tool more inclusive and impartial. The study's revelations serve as a poignant reminder that AI does not exist in a realm of neutrality. AI systems inevitably absorb and echo the biases latent in the data they are trained on, leading to skewed outcomes. Vigilance against bias in AI systems is imperative, and proactive measures to counteract it are paramount. I trust you found this video enlightening. If so, don't hesitate to show your appreciation with a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more insightful content. Thank you for using it. To combat AI bias effectively, consider the following steps. Engage your organization in discussions about the cautious deployment of AI recruiting tools, highlighting potential biases. Reach out to AI companies, urging them to enhance inclusivity in their tools. Offer your support to organizations striving to counteract AI bias. Together, we possess the power to ensure AI serves the greater good and refrains from perpetuating harm. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found this information valuable.